Printing directly onto products in the industrial sector has always been challenging. Not only are these printers operating in hot, dusty environments, but the perfect coating solution needs to be able to print text, barcodes, as well as branding and logos at very high speeds. Up until now, industrial printers have compromised on either print quality and resolution for reliability or speed. Usually, in order to print at high resolution onto plasterboard, timber, or other construction materials, you need to lower the speed of the production line. Nobody wants to do that. If you want to print at high speeds, the print starts to look faded, barcodes are not readable, and branding and logos don't stand out. Alternatively, a low-resolution printer may be able to print at high speeds, but it won't have the resolution to achieve high-quality logos or to print barcodes, and they are notoriously unreliable. The Domino Cx350i industrial printer enables you to print large format codes with all the good stuff: high print resolution, print quality, and speed. It has also been built on a foundation of high reliability, meaning plenty of uptime even in harsh environments. It's easy to use with a huge colour touch panel and offers plenty of connectivity options, including remote diagnostics via Domino Cloud. It can print any combination of text, logos and barcodes, and multiple print heads can be combined to achieve a bigger print area. Importantly, the printer can maintain clarity and darkness at high speeds, which helps to assure that barcodes are readable and logos are crisp and clear. Contact Print Data to discuss how the Cx350i industrial printer can help you in your factory.